What the heck? I get here and you shut it off?
Testing something. Didn't go well.
What's wrong?
Something's still not picking up right correctly.
All right. Are you going?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you do waste them entirely today.
Yeah, because I got like 3 more sets. They're just not here.
Do you want to tell the people watching what you've done to this car? What sort of
modifications?
Yeah.
So the whole story of this is I bought this car. It wasn't even a car. It was a body tub. It's fully stripped out shell. There was no subframe, suspension, engine, tranny. The only thing that came on this car was 1 door and a dash. There's nothing else.
I might actually have some clips of this on my computer.
I probably have
cut
pictures. And this was like 7 to 8 years ago when I picked this shell up. It had nothing in it. And then I fired out so many E36 M3s, I literally had enough parts to make it a roller again. And then take all those parts and put aftermarket parts on it. So it has full M3 rear trailing arms, subframe and stuff. Has a 3.9 welded diff in it. Has 330 front brakes on a Polish angle kit. They're like big steel, like Wise Fab knockoff arms and adapters. What else? T56, built LS6, forged and studded, all over. So the motor's built for boost, but we're running NA for now. Full exhaust, it's dual 3-inch into an X pipe, then it reduces down to 2.5-inch, no mufflers, which everyone will be really happy about, I'm sure.
Big straight pipe.
Big straight pipe. Has ID 750 injectors in it. Has an ASA cam in it, which is like a pretty cool mid-range cam that chops pretty reasonable for being what it is.
You said that's like a Chevy road race cam or something?
It's the road race cam they put in the C5s. For what series was that, Josh?
It was actually Grand Prix.
The Grand Prix, not the Corvette.
Yeah, it was called the ASA Cup.
ASA Cup.
American Stock Car Association.
Yeah, so that's the cam that's in this. It's a GM part number. But
Cool.
bunch of other manufacturers make this same cam and call it an ASA cam. And some of them make like modified versions of it because the cam profile on it is very good for like mid-range torque, like real flat torque curve and stuff. So, but otherwise than that, I mean, it just has the Mishimoto Z3M rad that's been modified because Mishimoto stuff is junk. Leaked right out of the box. So, and I've had multiple do that. So don't buy Mishimoto stuff.
Shout out to Mishimoto.
Yeah, shout out to Mishimoto for terrible products. Just some custom bits I made to make stuff work for now. Other than that, yeah, pretty.
And some BC coilovers.
Yeah, so on BC, the DR series coils, I think 10 and 12K springs. Some Nitto Neogen fronts. I'm always a fan of Nitto, so, and some little skinny boys in the back temporarily until I build my equips. They're sitting over there.
And some fenders.
Oh yeah, so who makes these? I forget.
Fitment Lab.
Fitment Lab over fenders. I think it was 35 and 55.
I think that's right.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I've had this car way too long, and it's only really ran this year. The first start was in January 2021. I've had this car probably since 2014, and I've had the engine longer than I've had the car.
But you're always working on other people's stuff.
I'm always working on other people's stuff, so I've always put everyone else before myself. So hopefully finally.
This is the year for you. E46 M3, LS
Yeah, this is my year.
E36.
This is my year. I got E46 M3 this year. I got this running, and we're gonna wrap this red because better off red than anything else. So and that's it. I mean, I got a pretty sweet tablet inside that I haven't hooked up yet, so that'll be something. Some Broad knockoffs, real Momo wheel, 10-inch tablet, and the interior's coming along.
And it comes with a tuner.
Comes with a tuner,
His name's Josh.
blood related.
So what gear are you thinking?
Just second,
Third, fourth?
the one that works. Just just hit that play button whenever I get in there. Okay, shut up on its own.
It's a little loud.
Is that okay?
It's pretty good.
Oh, good. Didn't ruin the cement, did I? I just kept creeping forward. I didn't want to catch the edge, but